freaking great, Kyrie. I am loving the sound of your stomach so much.
.5 out of 10.
Nice job.